Today we'll be going over MIS's agreement capabilities. Let's get started. To add a new agreement, go to Settings, then Agreements. Click the plus button. Type any name. Select the agreement type. Selecting Member will require all members to sign this agreement when being added into the system. Selecting Membership Plan will allow you to link this agreement to a membership plan. This is used if the agreement is a membership plan-specific agreement. Fill in the binding agreement message. This message is what the member will see when they are to electronically sign the agreement. Once you save, the agreement page will display, showing you a blank preview. Click the pencil button and choose Content. This brings up the Agreement Template Editor. From here, you have the ability to edit the look and feel of your agreement. You can even copy and paste your agreement from PDF or Word. Click here to add a mapping to the agreement. Wherever you add this mapping, the system will populate the member's data. Make sure you click the Save button to save changes. Once you have your agreement saved into the system will handle the rest. We also give you the ability to manually assign an agreement to a member. To do this, go to their profile and click the Agreements tab. Now click the plus button. Click one or more agreements and click Add. Notice a system alert is now assigned to their account. The system will automatically detect any unsigned agreements for a member, even alerting the front desk when a member checks in. Here are a few ways a member can sign their agreements. You can email them by clicking this button. Although we do not recommend it, you can click this button to have them sign directly from the same computer. We also have a front desk portal where you can set up a kiosk to handle signing at the front desk. You can get your front desk portal URL by going to the Online Portals page. Your front desk portal link is displayed here. Just copy this URL to your kiosk, which can be an iPad, tablet, laptop, or another desktop computer. I will use another tab to demonstrate this. Notice that the screen says, Waiting for Front Desk Action. This will need to be left open in this waiting state in order for the agreement to be captured. Now from the Member's account, under the Agreements tab, click here and confirm. This will send it to the front desk portal, which is waiting. Now the member can view and electronically sign the agreement. After the member completes the agreement, the system automatically gets notified and updates their account instantly, removing the agreement alert and displaying the signature date. Clicking the Print link allows you to view or print the agreement. This concludes MIS's agreement capabilities.